from Equitas Law again. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today we are going to discuss on one of the difficult aspect of our profession, which is drafting. Before going into this, I just want to discuss a life of a lawyer for like few seconds. In the formative years of a lawyer, most of the fellow seniors of the profession do not allow our junior advocates, junior member of the bar to appear before any courts, tribunals, or forums due to the fear of their inexperience, which is not totally misplaced. Obviously, we have to give our client 100%, be it our experience of a knowledge of law or anything. However, a most crucial part of the practice of law is drafting, which itself is a tedious task from the top of writing the cause title till the prayers and even verifications and affidavit portion of it. Like we have seen innumerable judgments, only how to verify a draft, a pleading, or an affidavit, how to affirm an affidavit. But a junior lawyer are given a lot of drafting by the fellow seniors and law firms in need of extra hand. A good drafting will still, it's like instilling faith in the mind and heart of a senior and or the proprietor of a law firm, as we say, to allow the junior advocate to even appear before the court of law, where it is like the application is intended to be moved. So we can see how drafting is so important. If it's my draft, if it's my baby, then I might be allowed by my senior to appear in the court even. Today's video is the endeavor of making that task easier, the task of drafting easier and simple for a junior advocate. Certainly, I'm not in that position to advise my seniors on this. It discusses the basic problems of drafting, which is as follows. Number one, the problem will be what reliefs one should ask for in the draft. Two, whom to make a party. Most of us mess up in this. Whom to make a party. Basically, in a writ petition. Number three is where to file and under what jurisdiction to file the draft. Which court has the jurisdiction where I should file my petition. A draft is to be dispersed, in my humble opinion, in various sections. This is, I'm trying to make a flow chart inside one's mind with different compartments. Number one, the point which I'll give as one of the important elements of drafting is what are the rights of my client which is being violated. Number two, who has violated my rights? I mean my client's rights. First look into that. Three will be what correlated duty does other person against whom I am filing the petition, being the defendant or anyone, what correlated duty does he had towards such rights of my client? Under number four will be under the law, what duties and rights the other person who has violated towards my client had. What was his duty towards my client in law? Under the law, in what way and how that other person should have performed his duties, which, if performed by that person, could not have violated my client's rights. The next point will be what redressal or I may compensation do my client, as the case may be, is entitled to. So this is the prayer portion, which is also very important. You cannot go beyond your prayer while submitting before the court. The next point will be again, where does my client whose rights have been violated resides. Place of residence is also important for jurisdiction. The next point is, where does the party who has violated my client's rights and did not perform his duties resides? This place of residence, as far as the defendant or respondent, as you say, in respect of the other drafts, will decide the place of jurisdiction. The above points will again give the place where the cause of action has arose. I have made my video concise in the hope that this video will help the fresh law graduates in the quest in this profession as far as drafting is concerned. Please comment if you feel any other important points or elements of drafting is to be incorporated or included. Please like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe to my channel.